Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to 24 Billionaire. In this video we are talking about what in the world is a Dogecoin.
So if you are enjoying our video, please subscribe to our channel, like the video and share the video.
Dogecoin is a cryptocurrency. Rose from a low of 0.007 to a high of $0.78. Rises at 900%, all in the span of 2 days. So what is the Dogecoin exactly? Why is it a rising? And should you invest in its dream run? Dogecoin was created in 2013 by a Billy Marcus as a joke. As the crypto was rising in popularity, he decided to create his own currency based on the Doge meme. Recently, this meme currency started getting noticed on the Satoshi's tree bets, which is the like a Wall Street bets but for a cryptocurrency. Word spread around the fast in the Super Rabbit. Seeing in the recent crazes in the stock market, everybody started buying Dogecoin. Then Musk tweeted this picture and spelled Doge instead of Vogue. And as you know, anything Elon touches these days turns to the gold. But the reason GameStop railed was that hedge funds were scrambling for the share to close their short position, most of which are holded by Wall Street bets. No such a dynamic is at the play for a Dogecoin. People have just created hype, which has influenced the demand of the price of temporary.